Hello, welcome to the SATO booth. Join us as we take you on a quick tour of our smart retail solutions, all designed to make your supply chain smoother, faster, and more efficient. Let's start at the beginning, where your products are created. With SG-tin-based item-level labeling, every single item gets a unique RFID tag at the source. This gives you full traceability from production to store shelves and beyond. Want to know exactly what's in stock? Our Live Inventory Intelligence dashboard gives you real-time updates so you can track inventory accurately, speed up stock counts, and make quicker decisions. Need to process a lot of items quickly? Our smart RFID tunnel instantly reads multiple items at once. No more manual counting, it's fast, accurate, and helps prevent shipping errors. Over here, you'll see our RFID gate system, which verifies shipments at the loading dock. It ensures the right products are going out, boosting traceability and saving time. Need to track cold chain items? Just attach a BLE label and our smart temperature monitoring records temperature and location automatically, helping you reduce waste, meet safety and quality standards. Missing or damaged tag? No problem. Our on-demand RFID tagging lets you re-tag products in seconds, keeping your inventory tracking seamless. And at the front of the store, check out our RFID self-checkout and return authentication. It speeds up the shopping experience, reduces queues, and even uses AI for return authentication. Easy for shoppers, efficient for you. And that's just the beginning of what SATO can do. Join us at booth 1101 and let's create smarter retail together.